We dey enjoy industrial harmony for Edo, Obaseki. The governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, yarn dis one wen im receive the president of the National Industrial Court for the Government House for Benin City. Obaseki come still appreciate the president of the National Industrial Court for the way im don place the industrial court for the country, say pipo don dey respect their judgement, and im encourage am to still hold the standard of the court.
Since we have established the industrial court in Edo State, the government of Edo State has enjoyed industrial harmony and peace. We've not had a strike, even though I'm not a labor expert, in the last 4 or 5 years in the state, except one which was promptly decided in your court. So we want to appreciate you and say, by some providence, your presence here has led to some industrial harmony for us. And we pray that we continue that way. But let me use this opportunity to appreciate the way and manner that you have held the court. You have, between you and your predecessor in office, have placed your court, industrial court, in such a pedestal in this country that people have come to respect the judgments from your court enormously. We all know what we are going through in Nigeria today, but we can proudly say that, rarely do people go to your courts and we then see them come back and begin to pursue endless appeals. We want to thank you, want to appreciate you, and encourage you to continue to keep up the standards of your court, which we are not surprised, given your background, and not only a jurist, but also a scholar. That is evident in what the assignment you have come to undertake in Edo today. We are very proud of our judicial history in Edo, particularly in Old Bendel. And it's something of joy to see that you're here to come and give the memorial lecture, post-pandemic memorial lecture for an honored and great jurist who served here, Justice Ibigwe.
President of the Industrial Court, Justice Benedict Kanyimp, come thank the governor as him take welcome them.
Here to pay a courtesy call on Your Excellency. First, to thank you for all the assistance you've done to the court. Secondly, this is my first visit to Benin as head of court. Incidentally, I did my NYSC here in 1986 to 87. So it's like homecoming each time I'm in Benin City. My colleague Justice Obaseki, who is with me in Abuja, told us of Your Excellency's insistence that we have to be guests of Edo State government. And we were given very excellent accommodation. We are grateful for it. We've enjoyed our stay. Unfortunately, we have to go back tomorrow. Duty calls, really. It would have been more lovely to have spent longer time here.
Dis na the ogbonge informate to NTMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Pentecost Ogurure.